to do today. Oh, they ain't looking too bad. Looks like we got some trees from 1999. This ain't a plastic liner, it's a rubber liner. I don't know if I've ever seen the bed without the line. It's looking pretty good. We got some dents right here, good old quality dents, because I used to scrap metal up to here and I would not protect the sides. So I'd just dump it in and some things would fly out in the back of the wood. All right, the covers on the sides are probably just as bad. I'm not sure. We'll get those off here in a second, but you can see we got dents here, here, got dents there, and we got nice scratches there too. So yeah. We're going to get some to the rest of these sides and see what it looks like. You can see there's a good old wetland over there being developed in the far east. So looks like these sides are just held in by clippages. So we'll just try to get those clips off, but I think you take the mat off first. You take the sides off, and then you take the back off. 1, 2, 4. Didn't break in. Oh my gosh! Oh, wait a minute, do we have rust here? Yeah, we gotta get better on this bed. We definitely do. Some previous owner tried to get like 4 or 5 four-wheelers in here or something. It ain't looking too bad, but there is some exposed metal. There it is! Woo! Went off a while back. Pretty good. Guys, so we're about to take off the tailgate cover, and I got this plastic jar to put the plastic hardware in. I know, right? Plastic. So I'm gonna just throw that in there. Now let's get this tailgate cover off. So you need to take off some bolts here. I think it's 10 mil. All right. So after you take out the 2 socket bolts, which I painted up, you got to take out plastic clips that are garbage. Yeah. Man. Now let's take her off. But there, we got a good old tailgate, pretty clean. We'll do a cold start, see if the truck is any louder after I get all this tape off. Yeah, if we had some electricity, I'd frickin' put a hair dryer to this stuff for a heat. Come on, bitch. I have a better idea. All right, so we got that adhesive off. Now it's time for the next 2 things. It hurts me to do this. Oh. Oh, plastic. All right, let's see what that looks. Oh wow, that's what I'm talking about right there. And it also looks like it's gonna pour down here in a little bit. I got everything scattered. Yeah, let's get this last one. Oh, me to part ways. Kind of sad, but at the same time, it's gonna look a lot better. Oh. We're on the move here, so I'm just going to step over all this plastic. Now if you see the theme here, our next move is right up here. Man, long-term viewers will know I used to also have a bug deflector on my hood. Guys, I guess I'll just take this one off the start. And I tried to use some fishing line, but it kept breaking. I don't have my braided line on me. I should have kept that in the tackle. It's in my other tackle box at home. Or just do this. Wow, look at this. Oh, we're getting a clean cut here. I remember this was giving me trouble whenever I was putting this tow mirror back on after we painted this puppy up. Where do we go? Can't believe I haven't done this. Now these are actually nice ones because if you look at them, see right through them. If you shine them in the light, you can actually see right through these, because I've seen ones that are just like a pure black and then you just ruin your visibility. At least with these, you get kind of a tint. Cover a good bit of the sun here, so it's better on your vision while driving, but man, does that look so much cleaner. I can't believe I never thought of that. I've always just thought about the function of it, because they reduce wind, help you when the sun is shining right at that angle, and they also deflect the rain, because I do a lot of driving and I'm not the one to use heat and AC. Remember my windows just cracked on all 4? That's actually a pretty nice thing to have. Other than that, let's get the rest. Went over my head probably about 5 seconds in the past, but really never really struck me to go ahead and do it. And man, I'm glad I'm doing this. It's definitely a good idea. Well, we got one side there, the non-clean side, and then we got the clean side. Oh yeah. These to the beach, I've taken them to the woods, taken them on hikes, kayak trips, and everything. I'm just let it go. It doesn't look that bad on this truck. Actually, the new trucks do look pretty good with these, and I've seen a lot of builds with truck running these kind of things on there. Look at all that weight reduction we got back there. Guess we're just gonna continue it on here, and maybe, hey, maybe in the future we'll put some more on back on the truck. I have some glass ones that are tinted. Get these off, guys. Come on. All right, this side is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Packed it together, damn it. Got a bucket for the adhesive. A lot more visibility than that side. It's kind of all blocked off a good bit. Got a lot more visibility than before, so it kind of looks like I'm test driving something. Doesn't seem like my truck anymore. Even though you can see through it, it's still blocked a good bit. It was like 87 today and humid, but the temperature seemed to have dropped. Always the last water break, goodness. Come on. Yeah, I need the thicker one. Oh my goodness. Oh, we just broke one. Yep, it broke while coming off. We got so close. This is the last piece. Last piece. Nothing else broke, but this is the only thing that broke. Close, so close to getting them all off. It's just the one, just the one. Oh, dang it. All right. Last piece of the puzzle right here. There we go. See if it's any louder. The cab doesn't seem, but visibility on par. Let's get those windows down. Doing my civil duty and cleaning up this park. Yep, and just drinking out of my new Coca-Cola bottle. It's pretty good from 1786. Alright guys, just drove to the freaking forest out here and I forgot the battery to my camera, so I'm using my phone. But I'm going to try to take care of the rest of this truck, and the sun actually came out. It was raining all day. There's also some crazy books over there just washed up. Yeah, scary stuff. So I'm going to try to clean up this, maybe set this up on a tripod, I don't know. Damn it. Alright, got some rubbing compound on here. Yeah, try to scrape all of it off with this thing here. I just dropped some adhesive. Oh yeah, works just like that. Still need to go over it a little bit more. Also figure the bolts that I got aren't going to fit in there, so I might have to buy the plastic clip. And then I also got one of those weird books, and I filled this jar up with trash. You look at that, completely full with trash. Mainly plastic items, and I'm going to dispose of that, but I'm just trying to clean up this place because it's kind of gross as well. There we go. Built Duramax, probably. I think I saw this for sale the other day. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that candy apple red. Oh man. Oh yeah. Brand new, brand spanking new. Oh my gosh. There's a couple more innings, dude. Hold on.
The game's over.
Give it a couple more minutes, dude.
Dude, the game's over. What are you doing? Let's go.
You're disgusting, man. Why would you do that? Oh,
That's
God.
you, bro.
That was you.
That's on the video, you asshole.
Wait, alright, go.
Are you okay, dude?
What the heck? That was you.
Yeah, that was totally me, asshole.
Yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, wait, forgot one more thing. Right here we got everything that all you really need is an assortment of rags. You'll take off a lot of glue. I used the bucket to capture all the glue, and then paint match and also gloss black, and I bought a $1 wooden paintbrush and then a pack of small wooden brushes that are really fine to really get those hairline scratches. But look in this container. Look at that. It's like a full container full. Dang it. Double-sided tape. Oh yeah, man, I think you need to clean up that right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's real. film this yesterday, but I realized and I remembered I had such a great place to go to because the antennas were also repainted gloss black. Yeah, check out this bed right here. This looks freaking awesome, man. This looks so much better than when I had that plastic rubber liner in here because it was fading out. It was warping a little bit on the top part there. And man, does the nice painted bed liner look good. We painted up the antennas, like I said. We painted up the bolts. We painted up the covers of the little parts of the bed there. We painted up the rings once again. And of course the stock bolts to the tailgate cover and just the strip right here. And also touched up, painted my dently scratched bed, if that makes sense at all. It's pretty scratched. And it's also scratched on the edges of here from the bed rail covers, but we got that painted up. Whenever I do use the bed, I might just lay something down, but if it comes to kayaks and stuff, I'll probably just throw them in the bed anyway. But yeah, I think this looks a lot better. You should have seen the amount of water being trapped, the amount of dirt being trapped, bed to corrode, that I think it looks a lot better without any cover or anything at all, and it just protects it better, especially up here. I mean, it's all scratched along the sides. If you probably go with a painted liner, something like a Line X. I do think now that I've been driving it with it for a couple days, I think it does make it louder, the exhaust. But yeah, I think this is a better way to go. I mean, plastic deteriorates in the sun. Check it out. Also just did my first sewing job right here. Sewed up the shirt. It was looking pretty bad. It was like open like that. I just really like this shirt and I think it's one of my favorites. So I figured there we go. I think there's something else I forgot to say. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, I remember. The window vents, the rain guards, the rain deflectors. I did notice in a rainstorm yesterday that I can't keep my windows open now because I don't have those rain guards. I think it's a cleaner look without those plastic rain guards. And man, getting off that adhesive was terrible, man. I recommend if you're taking adhesive double-sided tape off of your truck, do not use rubbing compound on those things because it just made it into a mess and it made it a lot harder to get off. Don't put that stuff on. Just use like a snow scraper or a credit card. Stuff will come right off. I don't know why I took that route, but I had to drive all the way home on construction light to use heat, and then I finally got it off. Hours during the night, like I don't even know, 3 hours, and then the next day took like another 6 hours because it was so hard to get off. I was chipping paint, I was scratching paint, but yeah, you full things of paint. I'll probably cut to that if I haven't already of all the things that I use. 2 cheap brushes, but I mean, it's not the newest truck out there. First truck I've ever had. There we go, guys. So I wanted to move to this side of the view, show you guys what's going on over here. But yeah, to the front you can see more on the sides there. I'm hoping you can see that, not really sure. But those rain guards would stick out pretty far past the edge. And I actually broke one whenever I was taking it off. Yeah, and I actually sold all of this stuff for an actual good amount of money because most people just put that stuff up on Craigslist and say free taken. They're lucky if they take the bed liner, but mine did have a rubber mat, so I think that's more sought after. Yeah, guys, I can't believe it's already gone. Look at this. All the accessories. All the accessories that I bought with this truck not too long ago. Bull bar in the front, a chrome bull bar. Remember that? We painted that black. Rain guards on red and gray pinstripes on it, mud flaps on it, bug deflector on the front. Sold all the accessories that pushed me towards buying this truck. So it's kind of crazy it's all gone, and now we're just down to like bare bones but fully color matched and just the way I like it. Back in business, and I think it looks better than it's ever had before. Look at that, it looks pretty good. Well, I guess just my opinion again. If I have to swap an engine, if I have to swap a transmission, I have to get a new frame for this thing. I think I'm going to keep this truck. Looks good out here, man. I love the weather. It was raining, but now it's clear. Glad I can make this video on a Sunday. Wow. Maybe I should have actually filmed it right here. Look at that right there. Oh, yeah. He's rolling. About a pretty good freaking picture right there. Yep, that mud's gonna be there for a while.
It has a bipod
What are your thoughts about
her in the face while we're at it.
You gotta scope.
out, y'all?
Praise.
Gonna pack a fat one down here by the creek, y'all. So in the Chevy vehicle, whenever you put on the lane assist, if it has cameras that if it senses that your eyes or your head's turn the wrong way, it'll then vibrate your seats. They're literally putting cameras in just the sense of your head and eyes and where everything's at.
Up.
Of an XP away from 99, believe it or not. I'm finally getting it, and I can't believe it. Let's do this right now. If I get an anchovy, I will get that 99. Hurry up. Oh, 40, 99 fishing. And I've been playing RS since probably about 2006, I'd say. Alright, there's someone over there. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. The freaking trash. Got it all loaded up back there. Mostly all the plastic stuff out of here. Roadie. Try to pick that stuff up. They'll just close off our off-roading places if it gets bad enough. Keep trucking along.